What's up guys, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at 3 new cases from Ringke for the iPhone XR. Now first off we have the Fusion X, next we have the Dual X, and lastly we have the Fusion, which is a clear case. So let's go ahead and unpackage these and see how they fit on the iPhone XR. So here is the Fusion. It's a clear case. It does have a protective film on the back, so you're going to want to peel that off before you put this on your phone. It's got all your cutouts for your camera, volume rockers, your mute button, power button, charging port, and speaker. Let's go ahead and take this film off. So there it is without the protective stickers. Just so you know, there is one on the back and there is one on the inside too. So what I did was I kind of bent this out and kind of peeled it off from the corner here. It seemed to be the easiest way to get to it. So this does have a hard plastic backing with rubber sides. Let's go ahead and put the phone in. So if you do have a colored phone and you want to keep the color of it, this is definitely a nice case to put on. Show off your coloring. Because it's got that hard backing. It does have a lip on it, so when you put the iPhone down, you don't have to worry about your screen touching whatever you put your phone down on. Buttons are very responsive, nice and clicky, easy. You don't have to, forcefully push the button in. It's got a nice response. There you can get your mute button there very easily. I kind of like that. Those little dots in the back there. It looks pretty cool. Easily access your charging port. It's got some reinforced bumpers on the side. You definitely don't have to worry about your phone slipping out of here because it's in there pretty tight. Very nice. I like it. So like I said again, if you want to show off the color of your phone, this is definitely a nice case to consider. Okay, so next we have the Dual X. So here is the Dual X. It's got a nice rubbery inside. And as you can see, there is a deep groove in the middle here and as well as along some of the sides. And that is the raised edge on the back, and you can see how much it is raised, so you can tell that there's definitely some protection between the glass backing and these rubber little nubs on the back, so you know that if you drop it, you don't have to worry about the glass breaking on the back. Military grade protection. Definitely a good case if you guys have kids, or if you just want, you're in fear of dropping your phone. I usually am. It's got that hard plastic backing and the soft sides. Just pop it in easily. This one definitely has some more protection versus the Fusion. Still got that lip, so no matter, if you put your phone down, it's not going to touch the screen. So there's your volume rocker and then your mute button here. It's got a nice color to it. Your power button, nice and big. Charging port and speaker. Buttons, very responsive, just like the Fusion. Very easily clickable. You don't have to push them in very hard at all. This one definitely has the reinforcements on the corners, so if you drop this, it'll definitely give you more protection. And that raised lip here. Looks pretty nice. So that's the Dual X. And then here we have the Fusion X. This one also has that protective covering to keep the plastic from getting scraped up in shipment, which is really nice. This is kind of a middle ground between the Dual X and the Fusion. It's got a nice it's got a more protective rubber outer side, but not as protective as the Dual X is going to be, but it also has that clear case from the Fusion, which is pretty nice. And then once again, just like the Fusion, it's fairly easy to rip off from the back. Inside here, I just kind of pulled this off to the side and kind of started scraping at that little corner, and it came off very easily. As you can see, it's very pristine. Let's go ahead and put the iPhone in. Pops in pretty nice. Just like the other two, buttons very responsive, very easy to click. The volume button's very easy, very nice and big to hit. The volume button's very clicky, very easy to distinguish between each one of them. They're separated. As you can see here, it's got that reinforced edge to give you that drop protection, just like the Dual X. And the raised edge here, so you don't have to worry about your screen touching anything, and that looks amazing. The black on black, that looks pretty hot. Not gonna lie to you, I really like that. Get rid of those fingerprints. That is nice. Man, that looks really nice. I like that. I think probably this is my favorite case so far. You can see the buttons are separated here. Your little mute button here. Nice edges. Definitely going to give you good protection. So like I said before, this is pretty much in the middle between the Fusion and the Dual X, and this is probably going to be my favorite one, my new daily driver. So that is the Fusion X, the Dual X, and the Fusion by Ringke. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check these out yourself. Ringke also has a lot more cases on its website for different phone as well as different colors, more than what you see here for the iPhone XR. So I will put a link in the description to their website so you guys can check that out as well. If you guys like my videos and you want to support me, definitely use the link that I put because it helps me keep making videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.